So yo, we had the sneaker swap, the first one in 2024. If you ain't here, man, you better still be asleep or drunk from last night, man, because it's unacceptable for you not to be here today.
Facts.
So, my man, take it over, let us know. Listen, how do you keep making this thing so dope? Like because it's not a yearly thing, bro. This like freaking. By the time I leave this one, I go to sleep. It's time to come back to the next one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, it's all about, you feel me, like passion. You know, that's where it really, you know, comes out of. You get me? Starts with the passion and the love that I got for the game. You get me? Like I just love doing this. You feel me? And I love being able to put together a platform where people could come to buy, sell, trade, network. You get me? And every time people come, you get me, they're improving their inventory, or they're liquidating their inventory, or they're networking, meeting new people, new connections. So, you know, the grind don't stop.
In 2024, like I know you learned some things in 2023.
Yeah.
What are you taking from 2023, bringing it to 2024, just to change your game? Just you as a sneakerhead in general.
As a sneakerhead, make more like smart decisions regarding the type of shoes that I invest in, like that, you know, like stay away from the bricks, you know, only buy shoes that, you know, that are already have the good track record, known to do well.
A brick to somebody else may be a grail to one person, you know what I'm saying? Because me as wearing a size 15, it's hard to find shoes. So you may think it's a brick. I'm like, oh snap, I've been looking for this. Let me grab it. So how do you determine what's a brick and what's not?
So something that I have caught on to is whenever I see a shoe that is releasing and everybody has it before it comes out, that's not a good sign. You get me? So like for example, the reimagined Bread 4s, those are about to come out. Not everybody got them. So that's a good sign that the market is probably going to go up on those. But if it's a shoe that hasn't came out yet, but you see everybody selling them early, that's not a good sign, because that means that there's, you know, the market's going to be flooded with pairs. So that's just one sign of what could be a possible brick.
How do you deal with, as somebody who like to get sneakers and stuff, like how do you deal with backdooring? Because that's rough. When you look like me, I'm like, oh snap, I know they're gonna get it. And then the shoe come out at 10 o'clock, 10:01, it's already sold out. I'm like, damn, what the hell?
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I don't do no backdooring, bro. I personally do zero backdooring. The reason is because when you're gonna do something like that, you get me, you're gonna get a pair early. They're gonna tax you, you know, because you're getting it early. And since I'm reselling, you get me. That's like, you get me. It's not what's beneficial for me. Now, if I'm gonna buy them to wear them, then yes, you know. If I'm the type of person that I want to get them before everybody got them, you get me. Then and I don't mind dropping the bread, then I'll do it. You get me. But as far as for business purposes, to backdoor pairs, I'm not. There's people that do it successfully. But that's not my niche. You know. Everybody. That's the beauty of the sneaker game, man. There's so many ways to make money in the shoe game that, you know, it's just endless possibilities.
So if I'm somebody, say I want to get in the sneaker game, right, and I only want to, my niche is just selling my size shoe, 15, because it's the hardest. Like, what advice would you have for me? Because if I want to get a sneaker, right, if I come to you and I say, yo, say I want to get the Blossom, I know they got it in 15 because I tried, and I want to copy from you, you're going to tax me because, you know, so then how do I go make money off of that shoe that's already got taxed like that?
Well, okay, so you're a size 15. So are you like asking me from a business perspective or like a personal to rock perspective?
No, just a business, because personal, I gave it up. I know I'm not going to find it in the 15.
So if it's for business purposes, then if I were you, I wouldn't focus on size 15. Because that's like you said, a hard size to find. And then not only that, but it's also, you got to only cater to those people that wear a size 15, which is also hard to find. So if what you're trying to do is expand your business, don't be scared to invest in all sizes. You know, size baby all the way to 15. You know, you gotta have that type of variety so you can cater to all types of customers.
That's what's up. That's what's up. You heard it from the man himself. Bring your ass to the next Sneaker Swap, March 9th. March 9th, be in the building. All you got to do is follow me